Business credit cards are not created equal. Some are created specifically for startups and small businesses and are packed with perks, rewards, and easy approvals. Then there are business credit cards that will instantly deny you while hurting your personal credit in the process. So use this video as a guide to find the best credit cards for startups and small businesses. And as a bonus, I've included cards that are 1, actually good, and 2, do not have a personal guarantee, which means your credit won't be affected in the process. Those who watch this video till the end will find a credit card that's right for them and inch a little bit closer to a credit line for their business. Oh, and by the way, this video is sponsored by my empty wallet. So thank you in advance for liking this video. It helps our channel grow tremendously and also helps us reach more entrepreneurs like you. Okay, enough of the intro. Let's get into the best business credit cards for new businesses and startups. So the Brex credit card allows business owners to get a business credit card without the need for a lengthy application process. The best part, it has no annual fee, no APR, or any personal guarantee. The Brex credit card also offers the ability to get a credit line that's normally 10 to 20 times higher than you would receive from other credit cards. Now, this is rare, but the Brex credit card offers no transaction fees for international purchases, making this card ideal for business owners who travel outside of the United States. Okay, that's good, but what else is great about the Brex card? Well, you earn 10,000 points on your first $1,000 of spend, and an additional 10,000 points once you spend $3,000. And if it couldn't get any better, to top it off, you get an additional 20,000 points when you link your card to your payroll provider. Furthermore, this card comes with unique rewards and rebates to keep you motivated to use it. We're talking 8x on rideshare, 5x on Brex travels, 4x on restaurants, 3x on recurring software you're going to use like QuickBooks, and then 1x on everything else. Sheesh, does it get any better than that? Sounds too good to be true. Luckily for you, it isn't. And all of the points you accumulate aren't boxed into a certain few categories. You can redeem those points for cash, credit statements, gift cards, and more. And if you love to travel, you can transfer those points. 1 mile equals 1 point. So to sign up for the Brex credit card, you are going to need an employer identification number, also known as an EIN, and your company must be registered in the United States. Hey, hope you're enjoying the video so far. I wanted to briefly tell you about our Money Smart Startup course, where we help entrepreneurs just like you navigate forming, funding, and understanding the finances of their business so they remain profitable. And this same information helped us remain profitable by generating nearly $4 million in revenue last year with over 50 full-time employees and being one of the fastest growing private companies in the United States 3 years in a row. So don't wait. Join me on the path to forming, funding, and understanding your business finances. I'll see you in the course. Okay, let's move on to the second credit card on our list. This card offers some of the best perks I've seen for a business credit card. We're talking no personal guarantee, a generous sign-up bonus, and travel credits that actually make sense. And as a welcome offer, if you spend $10,000 on eligible purchases within the first 3 months of opening your account, you receive 70,000 worth of points. But welcome offer aside, you earn 4 times membership reward points on eligible purchases for each dollar you spend in the top 2 categories of US gas stations, advertisements, restaurants, and supermarkets. And say you don't spend anything on those categories, fine, you still earn 1 times membership rewards points on everything else. And if your purchases are made primarily online, then this is absolutely the best credit card for you. because you earn an additional 1 times membership rewards points on shipping costs. And if you're lucky enough for your shipping points to wind up being the top 2 categories of the most spent, you'll enjoy 4 times membership rewards. In addition, you get 25% of the points you use to book a flight with your rewards using Amex Travel or other affiliated airlines. So in total, it's possible for you to get 250,000 rewards points annually. But here's the downside. The American Express Business Gold Card does have an annual fee of $295, which is relatively high compared to the other cards on the list. But you can weigh the cost of an annual fee with all of the perks and rewards that you get. Okay, let's move on to the next card on our list. Now, this is a card with no annual fee, something we all love, especially when starting a new business, making the American Blue Business Cash TM card one of the best cards for startups and small businesses. On top of having no annual fee, you also get 0% APR on purchases for the first 12 billing cycles, alongside a variable rate of 13 to 22%, which will depend on your credit worthiness. Now, we all love a good welcome offer. So what is it? With this card, you earn $250 in credit statements after eligible purchases of $3,000 within the first 3 months of your membership. In addition, you get 2% back on the first $50,000 you spend every single year. And after that, 1% on all other purchases, which beats no cash back each and every time. On top of all of this, your buying power is in your hands. What do I mean by this? Well, it means that you have the ability to go above and beyond your credit limit to keep your business afloat or to spend extra cash when needed. Your ability to do this will depend on your credit card usage, among other factors. You can also add an employee account to your American Blue business card and then earn rewards on all of their eligible purchases. Now, the only drawback I saw with this card is that it does have pretty high foreign transaction fees, which can be a turnoff for businesses that actually spend money overseas. Just something to look out for. Okay, next on our list, the Capital Spark Cash Select card comes with a 0% APR for the first 12 months and a variable rate between 16% and 25% thereafter. This is another one of those cards that does not come with an annual fee, which is good for keeping those expenses low. But my favorite thing about this card is that you get 1.5% cash back on all purchases with no limits. In addition, the Capital Spark card has no foreign transaction fees, which if you buy your products internationally, that is a plus for you. You can also set and track employee spending limits and earn additional points when they spend money. And when it comes to paying off this card, the amount you pay will be the greater of $15 or 1% of your balance plus interest, late fees, and any other past due amounts. And another bonus is that you get to choose your monthly due date. But there's a drawback to everything, right? And the biggest drawback to this card is that it doesn't come with a welcome bonus compared to other cards on the list. Once again, you have to weigh the benefits of this card compared to any welcome offer. And heck, at 1.5% cash back on all purchases with no limits, this card is definitely the one for some people. All right, let's go to the next card. The US Bank Triple Cash Rewards Business Card has a fantastic welcome offer of 0% for the first 15 months. You heard that right, not 12, 15. After that, you get a variable APR between 14 and 24%. In addition, there is no annual fee for you or any of your employees. It also has a welcome offer of $500 when you spend $1,500 or more within the first 150 days of opening the account. Wait, but there's more. You get 3% cash back on all gas and EV charging costs, cell phone providers, restaurants, and office supply stores. And when you don't spend money in those categories, categories, you get 1% cash back on all other qualified purchases. Get this, with no limits and no expiration. You also get 5% cash back on all hotels and rental cars booked using their travel reward center. In addition, you get $100 worth of software credit for recurring software subscriptions. Another way this credit card helps to lower your expenses. Now, this credit card does come with a personal guarantee, and you will need a credit score that is at least 670. And the main downside to this card is bank balance transfer fees and foreign transaction fees. Just something to keep in mind. Okay, next up. This card offers up to $100,000 in bonus points after you spend $15,000 within the first 3 months. That translates to $1,000 in travel rewards or $1,250 in cold hard cash. I'll take it. With the Chase Inc. Business Preferred Card, you earn 3 points per dollar on the first $150,000 in annual spend on categories like travel, shipping, internet, cable, and phone service. And 1 point for every dollar you spend on all other purchases, with no limit to the amount you can earn. And points are worth 25% more when you book through Chase's Ultimate Rewards, rather than going directly to an airline or a hotel. So if you want to maximize your points, make sure you do that. And to top it off, there are no foreign transaction fees for purchases made internationally. But here's something I want you to be aware of. The Inc. Business Preferred Credit Card does come with a $95 annual fee and a variable APR between 16% and 25%. Additionally, there is no introductory APR and no waivers of the annual fee even in your first year. So let's recap the best credit cards for startups and new businesses. If you're going to be traveling, the best business card for you is the Chase Inc. Business Preferred Credit Card. If you want no annual fee, the best business credit card for you is the American Blue Business Cash TM card. Now, if you're a startup, the best card for you is the Brex credit card. If you want cash back, the best credit card for you is the Capital One Spark Cash Select card. If you want a 0% intro APR, then the business credit card you want to get is the US Bank Triple Cash Rewards credit card. And if you make a ton of online purchases, then the best business credit card for you would be the American Express Business Gold Card. Now, I've placed a few videos on the screen I think you should watch next. Be sure to check them out. And if you found this video helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button for me. It truly helps the channel grow and allows us to reach more entrepreneurs like you. We love making these videos, and a like goes a long way. And subscribe to the channel for more videos that help you save on taxes and build your business. I'm Karan from Life Accounting, and I'll see you in the next video.